Halo guys, bagaimana kabar kalian hari ini? Semoga sehat selalu dan dimudahkan rezekinya, amin. Di video kali ini Mimin ingin membagikan aplikasi Photoroom Pro versi terbaru, yang dimana semua fitur-fitur pro-nya terbuka dan 100%. Work, buruan download sekarang juga, link download ada di kolom komentar.
That's the perfect confidence boost they needed. Brilliant.
Well, one moment you're in possession, the next you're picking the ball out of your own net. That one will sting.
It's just sloppy to lose the ball like that, Peter. The ease which they were able to cut through them from there, that definitely doesn't have a good look about it.
So the game's first significant moment, and it's come earlier than perhaps we anticipated. Shot could be on, and he shoots! It's there! 2-0, and in next to no time. That is glorious, as if he picked it up and put it there himself.
Oh, it was a real beauty, Peter, and while many might have just lashed out at it, he took his time and he put it where very few can.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, their manager seems to have them always thinking about the next goal. When's the next goal coming? They're such an entity.
Goes for a shot! Goal! Just one in it now. The game takes on a whole new complexion. Wonderfully smooth, smart and slick.
It was wonderful vision to see the movement ahead. And how about the weight of that pass? Ideal.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, what a difference a goal makes. Now all of a sudden it seems the belief is back.
Oh, good read.
That's great positioning. So good from him.
Guardiola. Still very early doors, but it is a closely contested affair. Thierry Correa. Rioja. And it's Pepelu. That's Santa Maria. Now it's Danjuma. Now it's Lewandowski. And this is Son Heung-min. Oh, that's fabulous. Oh, shooting chance! Smooth. Oh, what has happened here? Adams. And it's Guardiola. And a chance! It's in! 2 up and in charge, and things are looking pretty good for them now. It was a great finish. He put it away with great poise, dead-eye accuracy.
That's expertly finished, and he's done that so often.
Parma take a 2-goal lead and are looking good for the win.
That has the feeling of a breath of fresh air, Peter, and now they can fill their lungs.
Yamal! Just cruising! They are cruising! And they're at it again in double quick time. And that is fabulous. A true beauty of a goal.
Oh, what a hit, Peter, and there was nothing lucky about it, let me tell you. It was measured, it was simply inch perfect.
Parma blast themselves into a 3-goal lead. Takes a shot! Oh, taken with style. A quite incredible spell. They are flying. They forced the error and extracted the maximum punishment.
Well, a little more decisive.